Good morning, students. Welcome to our English class. Today's our class that is with English, and today's our topic that to complete that is prepositions, conjunctions, and articles. Here in ninth and in 10th. This question is basically asked for 3 marks in your section number A only, where fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions, conjunctions, and articles. We have to see in detail of this in this chapter. Basic focus is given on where, how, and when, which particular prepositions, conjunctions, and the correct article to put. That is what I have stressed on. Please go through whole PPT properly and please note it down. The last exercise, whatever I have given, just go through that. In your CW, you have to write each and every notes from the first till the last, and the fill in the blanks whatever given at the last, that is also to complete in your CW without fail. Students, this is a grammar exercise, very common thing. It is common for all. So according to from your textbook only I had extracted all the fill in the blanks. Just go through that properly. Clear everyone? So without wasting much time, we start with our first topic, that is articles. Articles indicate the coming of a noun. It means that an article precedes a noun. That means what is article? Before a noun, a word, a letter that we used to keep, that is called the article. Article, that's why it says a coming of noun, यानी कि noun से पहले article को रखते हैं. Articles are basically of two types, the indefinite article and definite articles. थोड़ा सा स्पेस यहाँ हो गया है, adjusted. Indefinite articles are a and n, and definite article is the. Clear? Indefinite article is a and n, and definite article is the. Okay, that means for the definite we have the, and for indefinite that is we have a and n. This theory already we had learned in our primary sections and till the last classes, that a and n where we have to use n. N is basically used front a and u, right? A, E, I, O, U. If these letters words are starting with at that before, we used to keep n, and a with the other consonant letters. Consonant letters, that is except AE, without the vowels, they are named as the consonant letters. So on that we have supposed to keep A. Even students, the letters pronounce, if it is started with the same A, E, I, O, U, honest, will keep N over there, right? Just like honest, that is what I used to give, because this is a basically starting with O. Uska jo pronounce hai, that is basically started with O. That's why we have to start with that. That's why we have supposed to keep there N. Clear? So in short, students, even the sound of the word, if it started with the vowel word, we have to keep it their indefinite article, that is n, and in front of the vowels, in front of the consonant word, we have to put the article a. The is basically put at the definite noun. While we have the definite noun, we have to use the. So articles are of basically two types: indefinite, that is a and n, and definite, that is only the. Clear? To tell that the noun it precedes does not refer to any particular person or thing used before a singular countable noun. right? To tell that the noun it precedes does not refer to any particular person or thing. कोई भी person or thing को detect नहीं करेगा. It is basically used before a singular countable noun. Singular, but you can countable. That noun we are basically use the articles. Clear? So this is what the introductory part of articles. Now we'll see little bit details of it. Instances where we indefinite articles are used, यानी कि which place we have to use indefinite articles. Which are the indefinite articles? A and N. A and N. So that we have to use at which places, where we have to apply that. That is what given here. Here one after other the meaning that details are given. We'll see. When noun is mentioned for, right, an umbrella, a bed. So this is what the an umbrella is lying on the floor. So what we had done, so an umbrella. So while we are introducing the noun, we have to use over there a or n. We can use over there the starting or introductory noun. To express quantity. Express quantity, just like here example is given. I want a cup of tea. Find it, student. I want a cup of tea. Before units of price, speed and ratio, there we have to use a and n. So here is the example. Sugar cost 25 rupees a kg. So a kg is for what? Unit. यूनिट के लिए मुझे ये यूज़ करना है. बिफोर यूनिट्स ऑफ अ प्राइस, ये हमारा यूनिट है केजी, उसके लिए मैंने यूज़ किया अ केजी एंड प्राइस इज ऑल्सो गिवन. गॉट इट? सो बिफोर यूनिट ऑफ प्राइस. बिफोर सर्टेन नंबर्स, अ मिलियन नंबर, तो मिलियन, उसके आगे भी मैंने क्या यूज़ किया है? अ. सो इट्स अ कॉन्सोनेंट and that's why we have to use indefinite article, that is what? A. Clear? Then after the next, to express frequency. Express frequency, like जैसे मेडिसिन के लिए हमें डॉक्टर बोलते हैं टेक मेडिसिन थ्राइस अ डे. अ डे, फाइंड इट, थ्राइस अ डे. ये क्या है? फ्रीक्वेंसी बता रहा है कि दिन में तुमको 3 बार लेनी है. अ डे, अ डे शोज 1 डे, राइट? तो अ is used for the frequency. Clear, student? In exclamatory expression, what beautiful day. Find it, what a beautiful day. There we have supposed to use a. So I hope it is clear to you कि कहाँ कहाँ पे हमने indefinite article का use करना है. We have to use before the starting of any noun. We have to express for quantity, before the units, before certain number, to express frequency, and in exclamatory expression we have to use indefinite articles. Clear, student? Now we'll see the next instances where definite article is used. Which one is the definite article? The. Which one is definite article? The. Right? So we move with that. That definite article we have to use here, that is the. Okay, where it basically used before a singular noun, when it refers to a particular class or group, we are using the. Names of ocean, rivers, mountains, seas, etc. We have to use the. Names of country, religious book, hotels, buildings, etc. There we can use. Names of families in plural, just like the Kapoors, the Guptas, the Mauryas. We can use that. To refer to a class, race is newspaper, the Times of India, the Hindustan paper. Then to a class, if I said the Mauryan dynasty, right? For that we can use an expression like by the dozens all the student, find it, all the student, all the students, while or like just by the dozen, the dozens, the students, right? And next again repeating. So where we have to use the, suppose we have the definite, because this is what the single thing, so there we can put the, just like the Indian Ocean, get it, the Himalaya, because this is what the definite, and that's why before the definite we have the definite article, that is the. Before a singular noun, singular that means और कोई नहीं है, only the one, when it refers to a particular class or group, we have to use the. Clear, student? Now we'll move further. That is with the next slide. Okay, prepositions. Now the topic of articles is over. Now we'll move with the next, that is prepositions. At 1 minute is left. Okay, the, after that we have to see instances where definite article is not used, यानी हम definite article the का use कहाँ नहीं करेंगे. So here I made the example for you. Instances where definite article is not used are abstract nouns, names of materials, meals, colors and games. Here I made the examples for you where we don't have to use the articles. The bravery is a virtue. Here the will not come. The cotton is a natural fiber. The will not come. Are you find it? Are you get it, student? The will not come here. Okay, here the will not come. Then I play the cricket, so that is also wrong. So this is what, student, कि while we have abstract noun, तो ये bravery is what? It is an abstract noun. So there we don't have to use the. That the same manner, cotton is a natural fiber. Here no need of the, because cotton is not only the single noun. So we don't have to use the over here. That the same manner, कोई भी particular cricket है, तो I won't say that कि I like to play the cricket, right? I play the cricket, it's wrong. Why? I love to play cricket. Okay, why not the? Because it's not only the single one, right? So with the games, with the game name, कोई भी noun दिया है, abstract noun deals with the quality. So bravery is a virtue. The bravery is a virtue. तो bravery तुम्हारा noun है, पर वो abstract noun है, उसके आगे कभी भी the आएगा नहीं. Cotton is a natural fiber. ये एक material की बात हो रही है. So there also the will not come. Find it, student? And at the last, expressions like all day, all night, by train, by air. With these all four expression also the will not come. Got it? All day, all night, by train, by air. These all words in front in just before will never use the over there. Clear, student? Now we'll move with our next topic, that is prepositions. Here it is actually prepositions where we have to apply, that is why prepositions to use. At is used. अब कौन से, there are so many prepositions, students. We know prepositions is what? It shows the placement, or we can say it indicates where actually the place is, right? So that is what indicates by the prepositions. At is used to indicate when something happens. थोड़ा spelling mistake है, correct कर लेना बेटा. Happens especially with clock times. For example, periods of the year and periods of the day, festival, etc. Here is the example. The train left at 8 o'clock. तो ये कहाँ पे हमने यूज़ किया? At the time. जब हम time दिखाते हैं तो हम at का यूज़ करते हैं. She married at the age of 18. Right? At. Why have I used the at? At because it shows it is what? Period of the years. Right? So that manner. While am I showing the period of years? period of the day, or any festival time, there I have to use at. Clear? Then another prepositions, that is in, is used with the centuries, years, months, periods of the day like morning, evening. She was born in 1982. See students, you might be having the question, Madam, what is the need of all these prepositions to learn? Because this is all we had learned in our primary section. But while we have this kind of blankness, students, at that time we get confused. Where exactly to put what prepositions, what conjunctions, whether the conjunctions will come or prepositions will come. So this matter we don't have to confuse. That's why I have given the clear instruction that what to follow, and with that also examples. So that make you more clear where exactly which prepositions to use. Clear? Now another preposition start. On. On means upar. Use with the dates. Dates. We went to see a movie on Thursday. We gave them a gift on their 25th anniversary. That means for birthday notes or for anniversaries, there also we have to use on. On. Please submit your project on Thursday. Right? That manner. By. By means by herself. Right? So किसी के through. Is used to indicate the latest time at which an action will be finished. Okay. Submit your project by so and so date. So that is what? That is the deadline. Well, we are giving any deadline, we are using the by prepositions. He will finish this work by 5 o'clock. He will finish this work by 5 o'clock. So this is what? By, that is means that is for the deadline. Till time she will complete this. So this is what about the by. Now next is what? It is since. Since is used with the point of time in the past from which some actions began and it continue till the time of a speaking. That means from that since 1960 the period was going on with this much of struggle. So he has lived there since 1960 यानी तब से वो यहाँ रह रहे थे, from that particular beginning from till now. So that for that particular situation we have to apply since. Clear? Now next, this all are the another few prepositions. Towards. Towards is used to indicate the direction of something. What did I use करते हैं? They went towards the airport. Means they are going through the airports. For is used to show direction only when the verb indicates the beginning of a movement. Right? For here for prepositions. For it is also for the conjunctions also. She left for Japan early in the morning. Then through is used to indicate movement from on end of an opening or passage to the other. The train passed through a tunnel. Through means उसके नीचे से उसके अंदर से, not नीचे से उसके अंदर से जा रही है ऐसा. So for that we have used here through. From. From is used with the starting point or point of a departure. या तो शुरू में होता है या तो शुरू से लेके end तक दिखाने के लिए. They came from US. So from where the person has arrived, from where you got that data. So for that reason we are using from. To. To is used for destination or the end point. यानी कोई डेस्टिनेशन या कोई एंड पॉइंट को हम दिखा रहे हैं, फॉर दैट रीजन वी आर यूजिंग टू. ही वेंट फ्रॉम दिल्ली टू अम्बाला मीन्स शुरू से लेके एंड तक हम उसका यूज करते हैं. राइट? सो फ्रॉम, बाय, टू, दिस ऑल आर वेरी कॉमन prepositions which often use. In, on, under, over, in front of, inside, then along with. These are lots of, there are so many prepositions, student. This is what the common prepositions I had extracted according from your textbook. Accordingly I had taken. Just follow this all notes. Rest all preposition you come to know while you are doing continuous practice of this kind of exercise. So it makes you more clear that what prepositions you should apply on this particular fill in the blanks. Okay students. So this is all what are the different prepositions. Now we will see the next, that is what? The conjunction. Now what do you mean by conjunctions? Conjunction is a word that joins, connects two words, phrases or clauses together. We know that conjunctions are also called as a connectors. They are also called as a linkers, or in short it says as a joining word. Right? So that manner we know conjunctions very well. We join those sentences, और that manner it synthesize the sentence. Join sentence को join करता है, उसको concise करता है, छोटा करता है. So that manner we are using different conjunctions. For example, if I said Vijay and Umesh are best friends. So if I have a sentence, Vijay is a good friend of Umesh and Umesh is a good friend of Vijay. If I want to join these two sentences, what I would be using? Vijay and Umesh are good friends. So this is what, this manner I have joined the sentence with the conjunction letter, conjunction with the conjunction and. Then my bike key is on the table or in the cupboard. This is what the possibility. यानी मेरी बाइक की या तो कवर्ड में है या तो फिर टेबल के ऊपर है. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट कंजक्शन व्हाट आई हैव यूज? और. If I want, if I have two sentences, my bike key is on the table, full stop. My bike key is in the cupboard. So this sentence I need to join. So there I have used the conjunction or. Next, though she studied hard, she could not get one first rank. Now this is what our another conjunction, though. This is what our another conjunctions, though. Though means she studied hard but she could not get first rank. This is our another conjunctions. Got it? So students, and, then, or, and though. This is what the conjunctions. Conjunctions, they join, they connect two or more than two sentences. They make the sentence very short one, and that manner meaning of the sentence will also not change. And conjunctions, they are also called as a joining words. Joining words. Another thing that says, now we will see the coordinating conjunction, student. In 10th and 9th standard, we taught you fanboys for simple compound complex. In compound, we had learned that is fanboys, that says compound sentence what we are using. In 9th, this is what the introductory part. कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शन, उसका हमने शॉर्ट फॉर्म बनाया था फैन बॉयज, FANBOYS. That makes it fan boys. Now for how we are using this, that we will see. For, its meaning is because. Here is the example. Sam drank some water for he was thirsty. तो for is used as a because, तो ये हमारा conjunction हुआ. And it is also our conjunction. I take milk and sugar in my tea. तो and is my conjunction. Nor, neither nor, or we can say and not. उसका meaning क्या होता है? And not. She doesn't like apples, nor does she like pears. So she doesn't like apple, nor she likes pears. Neither nor, either or का formula हमको पता है. तो ये for, and, nor, these all are, students, these all are our conjunctions, because we are using that for the completion of our sentence with the shorter form, or we can say in a short form. So it's joining our sentence in such a manner. Here is the meaning of that word. But, here but we are using as a however. All the children wanted to eat pizza, but no one wanted to buy it. Right? All the children wanted to eat pizza, but no one wanted to buy it. So, but, that means however. Right? However, no one wants to buy it. Why then no one wants to buy it? But here, but is used. So, here that is called the coordinating conjunctions. Or, that means either or, we can say. We could go to a zoo or we could go to a theme park. या तो हम जू जाएंगे या तो हम थीम पार्क जाएंगे. सो दैट इज द और अनदर कंजक्शन. येट का मीनिंग क्या होता है? जस्ट वेरी सिंपल. बट द वेदर वॉज कोल्ड एंड वेट येट वी इंजॉयड वेरी मच. But cold, even though the weather was cold and wet, but we enjoy very much. So yet is also another conjunction for us. And the last conjunction is a so. Therefore, so का मतलब क्या होता है? Therefore, he is sick, so he is not going to the school. So therefore, वो ठीक नहीं है, इसलिए वो स्कूल नहीं जा रहा है. So that is therefore. So student, these are what our coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions means what? Those connectors, those joining words which are joining different sentences at a time. And these sentences one or other manner making it short with the help of conjunctions with the joining words. Okay student, so we had here completed 3 topics: articles, prepositions and conjunction. With the help of this, we have the fill in the blanks. That fill in the blanks that is in 9th also, in 10th also in your section A. 3-mark question. Here you have to see students, prepositions are so many. I had taken only the very common one. So those prepositions which are not covered, that you try to find it out the meaning exactly of it. Because after in the next lecture, we'll be having another exercise with that. While you are reading na beta, that how much you are reading, on that base your communication skill, your vocabulary get clear. When it get clear, immediately what preposition you can apply, which conjunctions or articles that you have to use, that immediately come to your mind. But that is what here what is important, you need to read the lesson as many times. Try to read the lesson as many times. Try to cover the dictionary. Follow the dictionary as many times. Whatever the words get confused, immediately go with the dictionary and find the meaning of it and immediately go through that. Try to find out the words, and that manner you can easily sort out this all kind of a vocabulary exercises. Clear? Now we'll see today's exercise. Here is the exercise for you, and the same question is coming in your exams also. Emperor Aurangzeb banned the playing of a musical instrument called pungi in the royal residence, for it had a shrill, unpleasant sound. So we have used here the playing of a musical instrument, right, in the royal residence, for it had a shrill, unpleasant sound. The yellow color is your answer. That which article where we have to use the playing, the verb which showing the definite verbs, that is it was playing on म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट. प्ले क्या हो रहा है, एक इंडिकेशन दे रहा है कि कुछ हो रहा है, तो दैट इज ऑफ वी हैव यूज. पुंगी कहाँ पे ये हो रहा है? रॉयल रेसिडेंस में. तो रॉयल रेसिडेंस में हो रहा है इसलिए इन यूज़ किया. रॉयल रेसिडेंस एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेस है तो इसके लिए मैंने द यूज़ किया. फॉर इट हैड अ श्रील अनप्लीजेंट साउंड. श्रील अ देखा, आई डिड नॉट यूज हियर ध. It had a the shrill unpleasant. Shrill is a abstract noun. That's why I have to use here a. Right? A shrill unpleasant sound. Clear student? Another example. The American developed the atomic bomb. The American. Did you find student? The. Because it's a definite name. The American developed the atomic bomb in a secret project of their own, and is a conjunction, dropped it on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. यहाँ एंड के नीचे भी अंडरलाइन कर देना, बाय मिस्टेक मेरा रह गया है, उसको हाईलाइट करना. सो प्लीज़ हाईलाइट इट, द एंड, नागासाकी, August 1945. So this what it want to say, this both the paragraph that what I have taken from your textbook only, 9th standard student. Another paragraph that is also here. I was happy to go behind the strange aeroplane like an obedient child. to go, that is what the another prepositions, कहाँ जा रहे हो उसके लिए. The strange aeroplane. Why? Because the aeroplane is giving the strange impact. An obedient child. An obedient child. Oh, that's why we have kept an. After prepositions half. N R. See student, as I said, R शुरू ऐसे होता है पर उसका प्रोनाउंस अ से होता है, अ से. दैट्स वाई वी हैव यूज्ड एन ओवर हियर. The strange black aeroplane was still there in front of me. In front of, another preposition, me. In the clouds. In the clouds. So in, it shows the place, direction. Clear? Another paragraph. Mr. Kissing was trying to play a joke on me with this ridiculous subject. Students, ये ridiculous नहीं है, ये by mistake wrong मेरा yellowish हो गया है. Actually here in this it is a on. On is your blank and with is your blank. On and with. Clear student? Ridiculous के ऊपर से highlight निकाल देना please. I finished my poem and, find it, and it was beautiful. It was about a mother duck and a father swan with the baby duckling who, connectors, were beaten to death by the father. Because के नीचे भी underline करना है, it is also one of the connector. They quacked too much. He read the poem to the class. So here do the underline, that is below on, with, and, who, to, by, the, and the. Where it is a definite or single noun, there we have supposed to apply the definite article. Then after whatever the rest, there we have to apply a or an, and where the indefinite nouns. Clear students? With this whole exercise, whatever I have, this whole exercise are from your textbooks only. This is what this habit can be improved while you will read your textbooks lesson every day. At least once in a day, at least one lesson to read. Or you can at least you start your journey from one page to read. Your vocabulary and communication skill automatically improve, and this manner you can easily do the integrated grammar. And this manner you have to do the given exercises. Here all these exercises are there, first, second and third, these three and the next two. This all you have to do by following the given notes. Now students, how to write in your CW? I am repeating my instructions all again, listen it carefully. First of all, you will keep the title, prepositions, conjunctions and articles as given in our PPT's first slide. Then we will start with the notes, what is given from the beginning of the slide till the end. जितना मैंने slides में लिखा है, this all notes you have to write in your CW. For grammar, we don't have separate notebook. You have to write in the same page at whatever you are coming with. So on that page, you have to write everything. Answers of these 5 questions will be given in your next class. So on that time, next class or next to next class, wait till that time, but you will be getting the answer. You don't worry for that. But you need to try the answers for this. You have to fill in the blanks with prepositions, conjunction and articles. Don't forget students, notes are given. Follow the notes and fill the blanks. Do not directly find the answers from the textbook and to write it. If you do like that, it will be trouble for you and you will never understood the things. Try to do it by your own. If you have a doubt or any query, fill the answer with pencil. So while you will get the actual answer at that time, you will correct it and then your answer would be fine in a notebook. Clear all of you? So be touch with all these grammar points and just read the lessons properly and follow dictionary wherever requires. Learn all the notes perfectly and complete the homework in your CW. Okay students, thank you very much.